Hello everyone. Today I will introduce the parameters and receiving card connection operations. Open LED setting, go to screen configuration, and enter the password 168. In the receiver parameters section at the bottom, click load to load your existing parameters or preset parameters. When you need to apply the parameters, click send. Check if the screen display is correct, and then click Save to Receiver to successfully save the parameters to your receiver. Alternatively, you can right-click on Save to Receiver to specify the sender, port, and receiver for saving. To create mapping, click Receiver Mapping. In standard mode, enter the number of receivers and their size on the right side. Select the corresponding network port and click on the first receiver card position. Connect according to the direction of your network cable. You can right-click on the first receiver card position to clear the connection. In complex mode, first select the corresponding network port. Then click Add Receiver at the top to edit the number, size, and starting position of the receivers. You can also left-click and hold the receiver card to drag and reposition it. In the top menu bar, click Numbering Mode to number the receivers or ports. If no numbers appear on the screen, click Right Sorting Font. Once the mapping is complete, click Send at the bottom. After confirming that the mapping is correct, click Save to Device. This concludes today's setup guide. Thank you, everyone.